Hello students, my name is Karanbir. Today we are going to start our mathematics of third class, chapter number 6, that is measurement of length. Our first topic is the standard units of length. The standard unit of length to measure is meter. We use meter to measure many objects. And we use m for meters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. As you all know about the centimeter, you all are familiar with this scale. This is a centimeter ruler. You can measure the small object with this centimeter ruler. Suppose we draw a line here A to B, and you can measure the length of this line by use this centimeter scale. So today we are going to start our first exercise, exercise 6.1. In this exercise you have to measure the length of some lines. Some lines are given to you and you have to measure the length of these lines and write on your book. So the next exercise is exercise 6.2. In this exercise there are conversions of units of length. You have to convert the meters into centimeters and centimeters into meters. Let's take one example from the exercise. First example is 2 meter. To change this into centimeter, you have to multiply the meter number by 100. 2 into 100. It becomes 200 centimeter. Let's take another example. 8 meter 5 centimeter. Multiply the number of meters with 100 and add the number of centimeters. There is no need to multiply 100 with this number of centimeters. You have to multiply only the number of meters with 100 and then add number of centimeters in it. It becomes 800 plus 5 and it becomes 805 centimeter. So the next second part is convert the following meters into centimeters into meters. Our first example is 200 centimeter. To change the smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide it by 100. 200 divided by 100 and it becomes 2 meter. Let's take another example. 756 centimeter. 756 divided by 100. Now divide 756 with 100. It becomes 7 meter and 56 centimeter. How? You can divide it 756 by 100. 100 into 7, 700. Now 56 is remainder. So 7 meter and 56 centimeter. In this way you can change this into meters. So in our next exercise we have to add meters and centimeters. Our first example is 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1 carry, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, means 90 meter, 83 centimeters. Now the second part is subtract the meters and centimeters. 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 2, 6, means 63 meter and 12 centimeters. So in this chapter, our next topic is bigger units of length. To use the bigger lengths, bigger heights, height of bigger objects, we use kilometers. For example, distance between two cities, distance between two towns, etc. We use the unit that is kilometer. And 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. In our next exercise, we have to convert kilometers into meter. In the same way you convert meters into centimeters, now convert kilometers into meters. To convert kilometers into meters, the number of kilometers, multiply it with 1000. It becomes 3000. Now the second example, 14 kilometer, 65 meter. In the same way, multiply the number of kilometers with 1000 and add it to the number of meters. It becomes 14,000 plus 65. It becomes 14,065. In this way you can convert kilometers into meters. Now the next topic is to convert kilometers into kilometers. First example is 8,000 meter. To convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide it with the 1000. Because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, so we have to divide it with the 1000. It becomes 8 kilometer. In the same way, another example. 8,005 meter. Divide 8,005 with 1000. It becomes 8 meter and 8 kilometer 5 meters. See how to divide 8,005 with 1000. 1000 8 the 8,000. Now subtract it. It become 5. Means 8 kilometer and 5 meters. Now the next topic is addition and subtraction in kilometers and meters. In the same way we add and subtract in centimeters and meters, in the same way we can add kilometers and meters. Our first example is 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 1, 6. 60 kilometer, 366 meters. Now the second part is subtraction. 78, 228, 116. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 44 kilometer 112 meters. In this way you can solve your exercise 6.1 addition and subtraction in kilometers and meters. And our last exercise is problem sums, word problems. The first question is, two ropes are 5 meter 39 centimeter and 4 meter 25 centimeter long respectively. Find their total length. Means two ropes are given to you and their heights are length are given. Now we have to find out the total length of these two ropes. So we have to add these two ropes. 5 meter 39 centimeter, 4 meter and 25 centimeter. Now add it. 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 4 9, 9 meter 64 centimeters. So in this way you can solve your exercise 6.6. Thank you. Have a nice day.